Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make thumbnails for your YouTube video, or if you want to add a background to your image perfectly. So for this we need KineMaster and Background Eraser. The two app links are there in the description. You can check for both iOS and Android. You can make this using phone, iPhone, and then tablet, iPad, or you can even do it on a laptop using some software like BlueStacks, and then you just use the apps. If you want me to make a different tutorial for laptop, you can write down in the comments. I will surely make that. So first we'll open the KineMaster because we want to add the background of our video first. So here we just click on create new and then go next. And now here in my video there will be some more media in your storage. Right now the storage is really less, so I have just added 2 to 3 images. So if there are some more screenshots, it will be added, so there's nothing to worry about in this. And then I just click on download because my picture is over here. So this is my background. I just go back, and this is my background. So now you will say, what is the thing? I just click on layer, media, and just go download and just add this. This is not looking good with the image, so we'll just remove it right now. And then because it is looking very bad in this, and now we just need Background Eraser, the second app for this. So first you have to open this, load a photo, and then just click over here. This is my photo. So it is here. So now it is saying crop as much as possible. I'll crop till here. It will benefit us because it takes less time to crop. It takes less time to extract and everything. So I'll crop this much, and I think it's good now. Good to go. So now over here I just have to remove the background. So click on extract and then just go and remove, and then just you have to do it perfectly. Right now it's looking quite imperfect, but in the end you will see the magic. So right now, for my first trick always when I remove the background is that just do the corners first. It quite helps you because now the corners are covered, so you can do it easily inside. So now this corner is left, I just do it fast, and now this corner a bit, so we can't cut it over here because the t-shirt then will be cut. So now over here I want to cut all this table and everything because it won't match with the background. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the red, and it's not that perfect because the background was quite big, as you can see. So now we'll use the keep one, so the blue one, and now it will be easier to do I'll just highlight the blue part I want to keep. Now we are done with the keep, just a bit outline left, so we'll do that with the red like this. That is why I said crop as much as possible, because as you can see I took this big background and it took me time. If I took the whole picture, the background was quite big and I think the video would never end probably. So guys, now we are finally done with it. So a bit left over here I just saw. So now we are just a bit keep over here. So now we are just done, but this sides are not looking that good. Finally I'm done with it by doing the corners and everything. Now it is looking quite good. So now you just click on done, and then now it is saved. Just click on save, and now it is saved to our photos. And then you just go to KineMaster, and then here is a project. You just click on layer, media, and then eraser over here with the apps, and now you just click like this. Guys, isn't it looking quite good? I think so, cause it's looking, the color combination is looking very good, and then it's looking very bright. That's why I cropped the video so that I can do it a bit fast, and I would also suggest you to crop. And if again I'm saying, if you want me to make a laptop tutorial, you can just write down in the comments, and I'll just exceed this duration. You can just take a picture or take a screenshot. You can just probably save it or whatever you want to do. So guys, this was the tutorial. If you like the video, please like it and share it with others, and please write down in the comments if you want me to make a laptop tutorial. Thank you.